In the walking, as we were doing in the beginning, forward and backward, I will stop when the leader going forward, steps with his right leg. I will slow down. Again, here. And I am telling my partner, here, let's wait. And then I am telling her, let's keep going. And then, as a follower, when I step with my left, it's my partner telling me, let's pause here. And then he's telling me, okay, let's keep going. Again, he's telling me to pause here. And then he's telling me to keep going. Again, the leader going forward, here I pause, and then I continue. Here I pause, and then I continue. And one more time, the follower, here my partner tells me, let's pause. See that this parallel system outside partner. And something that we practice, we can use it here. Again, the leader, pause, and then we keep going. We don't repeat it when we do it in the dance, but here as an exercise, we repeat it again here. And again, going backward the follower, this is the pause. At the continuation, you can add that. One more time, the leader. Pause, keep going. One more time. Pause, keep going. Very good. I think Miranda can show us the embellishment that the follower does.
Yes. So I go backwards, and here he slows down. So I bring my weight and the foot here. And make sure that you have your big toe and your second toe that you draw this line with in the floor. And when you feel very confident, you can even raise your foot a little bit. So you can start out on the floor, but when you're comfortable there, you can even go up a little. Just make sure that if you go up from the floor, the foot is still in the same position as on the floor.
Great. Very good.